Hello everyone! In this lesson we're going to learn some confusing verbs in English. These are verbs that have a similar meaning but at the same time they're different and they're used in a different way. So let's start. The first two verbs are wear and carry. We usually wear clothes, accessories, or perfumes. For instance, I'm wearing a shirt. I'm wearing glasses. I'm wearing a perfume. We usually carry bags, rucksacks, or suitcases. For example, I'm carrying a heavy bag. Another pair of verbs that might be easily confused is win and earn. If you earn money, you work for it. But if you win money, you haven't worked for it. For example, I work as a teacher and I earn money. But I won $1,000 in the lottery yesterday. That's not true, by the way. Okay. Another pair of verbs is know and meet. If you meet someone, you see them for the first time today, or you see them for the first time in your life. If you know someone, that means you have already met before, and you know their name and who they are. For example, I met my friend Jane yesterday. I know her very well. She's my best friend. Okay, let's move on. Hope, wait, and expect. If you hope for something, you really want it to happen. For example, I hope you find a good job. If you wait for something, for example, if you wait for a bus, you stand or you sit somewhere before the bus comes. Then you get on. For example, I'm waiting for the bus, or I'm waiting for the tram. If you expect something, you know or you suppose it will happen. It's going to happen. For example, she's expecting a baby. That means she's pregnant. Watch, look at, and look like. If you watch something, you direct your eyes towards it for a longer period of time, usually towards something that is moving or changing, like TV. For example, she's watching a film. If you look at something, you move your eyes towards it and you pay attention to it, but that is not TV or a film. For example, you can look at a statue, you can look at a building, or you can look at a person. If you look like something, you are similar or alike. For example, I look like my father. She looks like her mother. He looks like his mother. Miss or lose. If you miss the train, you cannot get on. You can't get on it, although you want that. So if you miss something, you can't do it. For example, she missed the bus. If you lose an object, you don't know where it is, and now you need to search for it. For example, she lost her phone. Bring or take. If you bring something with you, you move it to the place where you are now. For example, I brought my computer here. If you take something with you, you move it from the place where you are now to another place where you need to go. For example, she's going out. She won't forget to take her umbrella. Look for and find. If you look for something, you're searching for it. For example, I'm looking for my keys. I don't know where they are. If you find something, you learn where it is. For example, I found my glasses. Now I know where they are. Say or tell. We use the verb say with an indirect object. That means that you say something to someone. For example, she said that to me. However, we can use the verb tell with a direct object without a preposition. That means you can tell someone something. For example, she told me. Lend or borrow. If you lend something to somebody, you give it to him or her for some time, and after that, that person needs to return it to you. If you borrow something from someone, you take it from him or her for some time, but after that, you need to return it to this person. Now, let's practice. I've prepared a useful quiz for you, as usual. Look at the sentences and choose the correct answer. Number 1. She, blah, 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 a t-shirt. What's the correct answer? She's wearing or she's carrying? Yes, she's wearing a t-shirt. Let's go to the next one. He works as an engineer and blah, 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 good money. What's the correct answer? Wins or earns? Yes, earns. He works as an engineer and earns good money. Okay, to do the whole quiz yourself, follow the link from the description below the video and don't forget to share your results with me afterwards. Bye for now, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.